What's up, guys? Charles here. LIAN Li has unveiled the US88v1 Universal Screen, an 8.8-inch secondary display built to provide PC users with more control and customization options. The compact screen runs at a 1920 by 480 IPS resolution with a 60 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness, delivering sharp visuals for system statistics, animated overlays, or personal media. Unlike conventional add-on displays that require a GPU output, the US88v1 uses a USB connection through either a motherboard header or USB Type-A port, leaving graphics card outputs untouched. One of the major advantages of the US88v1 is its mounting flexibility. The included bracket supports tilt, rotation, vertical positioning, and horizontal adjustment, allowing users to fine-tune the display for optimal viewing. The bracket itself can be installed on 120mm or 140mm fans with standard screws, or secured to flat surfaces using the provided adhesive pad. This approach makes it possible to integrate the display in a wide range of case layouts, from compact builds to large custom water-cooled systems. The screen is also surrounded by a diffused ARGB lighting ring, which integrates seamlessly into LIAN Li's L-Connect 3 software. Through this software, users can upload custom images or videos, monitor hardware stats, or apply pre-built visual overlays. The ARGB illumination can be synchronized with the rest of the system's lighting, ensuring consistent ambient effects. This adds both aesthetic appeal and practical monitoring options, blending functionality with visual customization. That's all for today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.